Hey, Michael Rosberg here, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit. Wouldn't it be great if somehow the IRS would give us a list of all the people that owe $10,000 or more to the IRS in back taxes? Wouldn't that be a great list? Because now we know exactly the people we need to market to. Unfortunately, that list doesn't exist, or at least it doesn't exist outside the IRS. However, one of the places you can get tax resolution clients, and there's a myriad of different strategies, different marketing strategies. I think I've identified at least 24 really good marketing strategies on how to attract, or where to go to attract IRS troubled taxpayers to contact you, taxpayers who owe $10,000 or more, who are qualified for your services. But there is one list that does exist that is very, very helpful, and that is a list of all the people that have notices of federal tax liens filed against them. And why does that list exist? Well, number one is it's public record, which means when the IRS files a notice of federal tax lien against a taxpayer, they notify the county recorder in the county that that taxpayer resides. So in other words, that record exists at the local county courthouse of where your client resides. Not only that, but if it was a business, let's say the business owed income taxes, or worse yet, payroll 941 taxes, it shows up two places. It shows up at the county recorder where they reside, and it also shows up on the Secretary of State's website as well. So, and that's notice to the world that the IRS has first dibs on your client's property ahead of all the other creditors, except if there was a mortgage filed or a mortgage on record, the IRS goes behind that mortgage holder. And the way to get these lists, and you can get them for a type of tax, you can get them for 1040 tax, you can get them for 941 payroll tax, you can get them for even what's called Civ Penalty, the civil penalty for the trust fund recovery penalty of business owners. And these lists exist at your local county courthouse, and there are also specialized list brokers that sell names of people with notices of federal tax liens, including their phone number. So that list exists. That's one of the strategies of the 24 or so where you can go and market to taxpayers you already know have a problem with the IRS, and that's notices of federal tax liens. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a CPA, an enrolled agent, or an attorney, and you want to learn more about the lucrative tax resolution niche, click on the link above my shoulder, enter your name and email, and you'll go to my free webinar training where I'll teach you and show you how to get tax resolution clients, what to say to them when the phone rings, how to screen them, how to segregate the looky-loos and the tire kickers from qualified prospects, how to schedule the appointment, know what to say, and more importantly, know not what to say to make sure they actually show up in your office or on the phone at the appointed time. I teach you how to get retained, close the deal. What do you say to these qualified prospects in order to get them to take their credit card out from their wallet, give it to you to get retained so you can start working the case and help them. I'll teach you how to get paid in advance before their case settles, and how to turn them into referral machines. So just click on the link above, give me your name and email, you'll be automatically entered into that free deep dive training.